The atom, from philosophical idea to scientific theory. The concept of the atom was first proposed by the 400 BCE Greek philosopher Democritus. He called the smallest unit of matter the atom, which came from the Greek word atomos, which meant unable to be cut or indivisible. Aristotle, another Greek philosopher who was a successor of Democritus, believed that all matter was continuous. This idea of the continuation of matter was accepted for nearly 2,000 years. In the 1790s, investigators used improved balances to measure the masses of the compounds and elements they were studying. This resulted in the discovery of several basic laws. The law of conservation of mass states that mass is neither created nor destroyed during ordinary chemical reactions of physical changes. The law of definite proportions states that a chemical compound contains the same elements in exactly the same proportions by mass regardless of the size of the sample of the source of the compound. The law of multiple proportions states that if two or more different compounds are composed of the same two elements, then the ratio of the masses of the second element combined with a certain mass of the first element is always a ratio of small whole numbers. In 1808, an English school teacher named John Dalton proposed the first atomic theory. His theory had 5 points. First, all matter is composed of extremely small particles called atoms. Second, atoms of an element are identical in size, mass, and other properties. Atoms of different elements differ in size, mass, and other properties. Third, atoms cannot be subdivided, created, or destroyed. Fourth, atoms of different elements combined in simple whole number ratios to form chemical compounds. Fifth, in chemical reactions, atoms are combined, separated, or rearranged. 2 of Dalton's points were flawed. Atoms were indivisible, and elements can have atoms with different masses.